Hi, everyone. I wanted to share something with you today that I learned in a workshop recently with Tracy Barrett Adams. It's a centering breath. Now, it only takes a few minutes and it's extremely calming. So why don't you set everything aside for a few minutes and follow along? Not if you're driving, of course, but if you can just be in the moment and attentive just for the next couple of minutes, that would be perfect. Take a breath, close your eyes, and breathe as if you're breathing through the top of your head, reaching out and up for connection. Breathe as if you're breathing through the sides of your body, becoming more present to this moment. Breathe as if breathing out behind you, gathering every moment of resilience, laughter, love, and releasing anything unnecessary. Just put it behind you. Breathe now through those feet down into the earth, connecting to that calming, grounding earth energy. Breathe it up into your body. That's it. And now breathe forward out through your front, right through your heart. Breathing into discovery, to lightness. Take a moment now to scan your body mind. Notice what's different. And know that you can do this simple exercise 2, maybe even 3 times a day, just to bring yourself back to this moment of calmness, this peace of mind, and get on with your day feeling just a little bit refreshed, because we all need that, don't we? I hope this has been helpful, and I will see you again in the future. Take good care. That's all for now.